it going, guys? That Shoemaker Guitar Works. So I'm back here with the Cat House Gibson, and I've still got the bridge and clamps. I like to leave them for a few days, but I also have a brace on the back that is loose in the middle, and got to investigating, and before I can fix that, I actually have a crack right here on the top that needs to be fixed. So I've got a couple things here I can do, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this sticker off of this thing here. I'm going to use this. I'm going to try and get this. Well, that's probably not going to work. It's not looking like. So what my plan was to put glue on that and kind of run it through this crack, but that's not going to happen. So I'm going to try not watering down this tight bond and sucking it up into the syringe and getting it all over the syringe to the point to where I don't even know where I've got it. Just one of those days. I want to say hello and thank you to all my new subscribers. You guys are awesome. I truly appreciate that. And I plan on doing a couple Guitar of the Days each week. This week I happen to do 3 of them, just because I haven't done any in a while and I wanted to do something. So thank you guys for that. Let's see if that's sucked up in there or not. Looks like it. Oops. So I've got a syringe with some wood glue in it. I've got a needle, which is clogged, so that won't work. So I'll just have to use the syringe itself and try and push that glue down into there. And I can see it bubbling around the crack. Feel, did it come through? Yep, it came through on the bottom side. So now what I need to do is, for one, wipe that clean. If you catch tight bond right away, you don't necessarily need a wet rag. And I made this little cleat, and basically just a little piece of maple that I'm going to glue up under here to support that crack on the back side. So I'm going to put some of this tight bond that's in here. Cover the surface. And I'm gonna stick that right up under there on that. And then I'm going to use my homemade clamping system here. And it's not going to take much pressure. Just enough to hold that up in there. Squeeze it down all the way, maybe. Yeah, squeeze her down all the way, and then one last last little, make sure that's sitting nice and level. I can see there's glue in it. Right on that cleat. And that will support that. So then after that dries, my next step will be taking this same syringe, and at that I'm going to try and clean out this needle because I'm going to need it to try and get it up underneath of that brace. If I can't get it, then I'll use just the glue bottle or use the syringe without it and piece of paper to get up underneath of there, get the glue up in there. As long as I get squeeze out, I know I'm good. So that's all that matters. But I couldn't do that until I got this fixed because I wanted wanted that to be nice and stable before I do that. So anyway, not the way I wanted my video to go, but you know, I wanted to show you how to do the bracing repair, but this is another type of repair that you have to do to these old guitars. And I'm actually going to do this one more time on that hole that's on the back here. Right behind that, I've got another cleat made that I'm going to glue, but I'm not going to do that until after I get all the rest of the bracing fixed. So anyway, thanks guys. Have a great day. Hit that like and subscribe.